Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LQTY. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that first LQTY broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and after that, it broke out two channels on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then this is the recent down channel that it broke out. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the target for this breakout can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.09, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this down trendline resistance and this resistance of $2 as well. And this was the previous channel that I was showing you that it broke out on the same daily time frame chart, and after that we had another rally. First, the price then was rejected by this resistance of $1.60, drop down, and then we had another very nice rally, but again got rejected by this downtrend line resistance. And by the way, this is the resistance. This downtrend line is the resistance of a very big triangle that is formed on a weekly time frame chart. You can see that on a weekly time frame chart, it is still moving inside this very massive symmetrical triangle, and at the same time it broke out this falling wedge pattern and this down channel. And recently, after the breakout from this down channel, we had another pump but got rejected by the resistance of the triangle, and now recently, it has bounced very well from the support, but still moving very close to the support of this triangle. And at the same time, after this rejection, the price line has also broken down the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud support. You can see that previously this lower bands has been working as a very strong resistance, and this time we broke it out, but got rejected by the uptrend line resistance, downtrend line resistance of this very big symmetrical triangle, and almost got rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance and broke down the lower bands. And now it is moving at the support of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for LQTY that I shared on 4th of April 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that LQTY completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 18% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, we got almost 13% pump on 1-hour time frame chart. And this was another harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that LQTY completed with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal, and this was almost 13% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LQTY, and this is the weekly. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart, and this was the down channel that I was showing you a few days ago in my previous video. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the price line can hit the target here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.09 or 10 cents, and you can see that the price line moved up to $2.15, but could not break out this downtrend line resistance of this big symmetrical triangle and this resistance of $2. By the way, this $2 is a quite long-term resistance that had been previously working as a resistance here, and here it has been working as a resistance, in here as a support, and now again it is working as a very strong resistance. And the price then got rejected by this resistance of $2 and this downtrend and resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And now recently it's bounced very well from the support of the triangle, but still moving very close to the support. A quite long-term uptrend line support of this triangle. You can see that we got several touch points here at the support of this triangle. Then we got another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that is happened here on 8th of April 2024. And now the price line is moving between these two support and resistance levels. The resistance is here at $1.10. That was previously breaking as a support here. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance here. And now again, for the past several weeks, you can see it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And here we have another support that is at 90 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and here it has a support as well. And now again, it is working as a support. And we also have this uptrend line, a quite long-term uptrend line support of this symmetrical triangle. And we have another very long-term resistance, and that is the resistance of a Ichimoku bearish cloud that is moving slightly down than this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. Here we broke out the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud and entered the cloud. It got rejected by the upper bands and this downtrend resistance of the triangle, and we have now again broken down this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, again, we will need to break out this lower bands and then upper bands in order to continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $3 and between $3.80 and $4. And you can see that the price line after hitting this target again moved down and broke out this channel, and still a target for the breakout from this channel. That move is still due. That is again here between $3.80 to $4. And now if we take a look at the target for this very massive breakout, expected massive breakout from this very big symmetrical triangle, and it depends, by the way, from where it will break it out. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target to the upside will be here. That will be somewhere between $16 to $17. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.